You know how phones kind of all look alike these days? Well, Nothing wants to change that. Take a look at the Nothing 3A and the Nothing 3A Pro. These things look different, and that's by design. This time, the company uses Panda glass instead of polycarbonate to cover the back. This glass gives you a view of ribbon cables and screws for an industrial look. The 3A features a triple camera array and a pill-shaped bump that rises from the back. The 3A Pro is a whole different story. It has this massive circular camera bump with 3 cameras surrounded by aluminum. By the way, the company is very aware that its phones are not for everyone, and they are fine with that. A representative said they don't want their devices to look like everyone else's. Apart from the camera capabilities, these two phones are nearly identical. Both phones feature Nothing's system of glowing lights, which the company calls the Glyph. Both feature a 6.77-inch OLED display. Both screens reach a ridiculous 3000 nit brightness. Both use a Qualcomm 7S Gen 3 processor. Both run Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, support 5G and Wi-Fi 6. So let's talk about those cameras. They both have a 50 megapixel main camera and the same 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. Now, the 3A has a 50 megapixel 2x telephoto lens, and the 3A Pro, it has a 50 megapixel 3x periscope telephoto lens, and that's why the bump is so big. The company says the camera system on the Pro captures much more light than the non-Pro, which translates to much better pictures. We have yet to test the camera, so come back to PCMag.com for that. But wait, there's more. Both of these phones add a button, the Essential key, which sits below the power/side button. So what does it do? Tap the key once and you take a screenshot. You can add notes if you want. Hold the Essential key down and now it's recording a voice memo. Hey everybody, I'm recording a voice memo. Press the button twice and you're brought to the Essential space. Right now it's analyzing that recording that I just made. It's got our screenshot here if we want it. And here are all the other ones I took. What you can do is you can organize these into collections so you can organize your thoughts. These phones will be available through Nothing's developer program, so you can't just buy them in the store. The Nothing 3A costs $379. The Nothing 3A Pro, $459. We're gonna have full reviews of these devices pretty soon. Check them out at PCMag.com.